For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo about cross-hatching. This is Karine, your artist from Davao City. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sa inyong nakikita, ito ang tinatawag natin na hatching. Ang cross-hatching naman ay isang paraan ng shading kung saan paulit-ulit ang pagguhit ng pinag-cross na linya ayon kay Coplasio noong 2016. Magsisimula tayo by drawing a sphere. Hindi ko gamit ang aking charcoal pencil. I'm using now my Stabilo Micro 288 pencil. Gaya ng ginawa natin last time, the light source will be coming from the right side of the sphere. So ang shadow niya ay nasa left part ng object. Magsisimula tayo by making lines similar to that of hatching, running along the sphere curves in a single direction. Pagkatapos niyan ay gagawa tayo ng mga linya na nag-i-intersect diagonally through our first lines. Slowly work on these lines mula sa darkest areas of the sphere to the lighter areas of the sphere. When you're first putting in the darkest tone, lagyan ng pressure ang pag-cross-hatching. As you work on lighter shades, dahan-dahan mong i-reduce ang amount ng pressure sa paghawak ng lapis so you're not pressing so hard on your paper. Sa ganitong paraan, your transitions between shades will be smoother and more consistent. Lastly, gawa na tayo ng shadow sa left part ng ating sphere that cast on the ground. The side of the sphere na pinakamalapit sa light source will be brighter and have highlights, while the furthest side will have darker shadows. Sana'y nakatulong ang ating tutorial for cross-hatching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa latest videos ko. This is me, Karine, your artist from Davao City. God bless everyone. Bye!